Hello everyone, this is Aparna Bhatt and welcome to my YouTube channel Abhijna Law Series. So today's topic of this video is regarding the price hike regarding different courses which are available on Unacademy Judiciary platform. So first of all, we need to know which are the courses available for Unacademy Judiciary. So as we all know, different states are conducting different examinations which are at various levels. Some are conducting prelims examinations, some are at the stage of mains examinations, somewhere we can see that APP examinations, APU examinations. So all these examinations are running simultaneously. Some students are appearing for 3 to 4 states examinations. Karnataka examinations are approaching, Delhi Judiciary mains exams are approaching. So different states have fixed the date for prelims and mains as well. So for this we need to have a proper guidance. So for this guidance you can safely rely on Unacademy Judiciary courses which is applicable for all state judiciary. So generally the classes are conducted in English and Hindi. So for English you can refer to my classes. Generally for southern states like students from Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, or any other states who want English lectures, in Unacademy I would be conducting classes in English and as well as in Kannada, which is for Karnataka Judiciary Service examinations. So generally Unacademy is offering 2 types of courses, that is plus course and iconic course. So if you can see this slide, so see here generally price is going to hike. So generally we can see that the price was, if we take for plus course, it was for 24 months it was 63,250, whereas now after price hike it would be 69,575. So for every duration course we can see that there is a price hike. So in order to beat this price hike, so if you purchase the course as soon as possible, it would be beneficial for you. So price is going to hike for up to 20%. So before knowing the price, before knowing the importance, you must understand why should you purchase these courses. These courses, what do they offer? See, plus course and iconic courses are the 2 courses offered by the Unacademy Judiciary. Generally what happens is in plus course, you have different kinds of batches. As you all can see, different batches are running, different batches are going to start according to different states' requirements. Likewise, many classes, many batches are being conducted whole day, every day at different times. Classes are being conducted. You can enroll into that. You can download the notes which have been uploaded by the educators. So there are about 30 to 40 educators who are conducting free live classes as well as plus courses. Plus courses, you have a very detailed course, structured courses with respect to every subject. Suppose if there is a CPC subject, if there is criminal procedure subject, you can refer to your top educators, your favorite educators courses, and you can have the guidance. You can download the notes. So this is one benefit you can avail from subscribing into these plus courses as well as iconic courses. Iconic course is one such thing. See here, this is a slide which shows the important features of Judiciary Iconic course. Here we can see that you will get a mentor who will guide you through your exam strategies, strategic sessions. He will clear your doubts, that too in your own language, which language you prefer or which state you prefer. You will get your state specific questions and you can answer them and you can get it evaluated by the mentor. So that's a very important feature. So prelims can be cleared by most of them, but when it comes to the mains, it's that point where we fail. Mains examinations is something which depends upon your answer writing skills and analytic skills, how you practically solve the problem, practical questions. So many things are there. So many things have to be taken care of when you write the examination, when you write the descriptive answers. So that has to be evaluated, that has to be corrected before you actually attempt into the examination. So that's why what this feature, this iconic course avails is that it is dependent upon the particular state-wise questions. You can answer them and you can get it corrected, evaluated, and you will be getting the feedback of such answers which you have answered. And along with that, you will be getting all the benefits of plus course. Plus courses, as I have already mentioned, it is a course where you get structured courses. You can join batches, you can attend full length mock tests, you can test your ability, you can test your you can check the competition like along with your other peers. So many things are there to be taken care of, to look into. So that will be provided by this plus course if you purchase the plus course benefits. Okay, so along with that, you can also join different batches. See, just generally I want to give some introduction relating to some batches which have been recently started or which is going to commence very soon. So this is one batch which is regarding rapid linking batch, which is for Delhi Judiciary Mains. So it is being conducted by all these educators: Tansuk Paliwal sir, Shivani Solanki ma'am, Unnati Srivatsav ma'am, Apurva Purohit ma'am, Surya Prakash sir, Anup Upadhyay sir, Archana Sukhija ma'am, Raghavendra Pratap Singh. Okay, so all these educators are coming together and doing a batch for Delhi Judiciary Mains. So already it has been started, but no worries, you can still join them. You can watch the recorded lectures, which is for the duration of 1 month. So this is one batch, and another such batch is answer writing batch for all states mains examinations. So here they are giving you a clear picture about how to write mains examinations answers. So it's taken by Faizan Khan sir, Karan Sangwan sir and Vishivani Bansal ma'am. This is for a duration of 1 month, which has commenced on May 18th. And another such batch is for crack UP APO, Uttar Pradesh APO examinations. So this is special class marathon series. So this is regarding special classes. So Pankaj Kumar Tripathi sir, Harsh Bihari sir, Dharmendra Rai sir, Alak Kumar sir and Siddharth Dubey sir. So with respect to different subjects, law and GS law, they are going to conduct marathon series. So whole day it will be there. So for 1 week duration, it is starting on May 23rd. Do enroll into this. Okay, and this batch is for 1 year. This is for Uttar Pradesh and Bihar judiciary examinations, which is for the whole 1 year, which is known as 1 year foundation batch, which is going to commence on June 1st. So although it's commencing on June 1st, you can purchase the subscription today before the price is going to hike, so that at least you would be saving 10 to 15,000. Okay, so another thing, there's a special offer. If you purchase the subscription before 26th May, there is another extra additional offer that if you purchase 6 month subscription, you will be getting additional 1 month subscription. So you can do all this kind of permutation and combinations, and you can avail this discounted price, which is very beneficial for you. Okay, I hope you all get these benefits, take maximum benefits out of these courses, of these discounts which are provided for a very limited period, these special offers which are valid only till 26th May. So do take advantage of all these benefits. Okay, and also I want to say regarding not only those 3 batches, but many batches are currently running which are duration for 18 months and which have already been commenced, which have been for 1 year, a rapid revision batch. So many batches are there: judiciary linking batch, expert batch regarding IPC, then for RJS and HJS, comprehensive judiciary batch. So many batches are there. You can just check them. There is a preview video. You can just in the link provided in the description provided in my video, in this video itself, you can check all these courses. And also there are special classes where most of you who are attending my classes would be knowing that polls are being conducted, interactive live classes are there, raise a hand facilities, then regular notifications will be received in your mobiles, notes can be downloaded, and at any time anywhere you can just by the click of your device you can watch the classes. Okay, that's a very important feature which has been provided by the Unacademy. Do join this, just have a try. You can check my profile below, which is again given in the description in my video below. These are regarding the pricing plan plus subscription, which I have already mentioned. So if you purchase today, at this price you will be getting 10% discount. So generally I would suggest 6 months or 12 months. So for 6 months it would be 31,000, for 12 months it would be 43,000, but after 10% at least 3 to 4,000 discount you would be getting. And also iconic course, for even for iconic subscription I would be suggesting 6 months duration, that's rupees 41,975. So after that price hike it would be more than 45,000. So please have a just decide upon this issue, like if you want to purchase, then don't hesitate, take a risk and join, which is beneficial. So I would say that you would not be getting only my courses. My courses are okay, they are sufficient, but along with my courses there are many other educators courses which are definitely of benefit to you. Okay, so by using my code APARNALAW, APARNALAW, you would be getting 10% discount. And also Unacademy Judiciary YouTube channel is there, and Telegram channel is there, my Telegram channel is there, some notification I'll be sending, you can join these. And also you can join my Abhijna Law Telegram channel, where in the description below I have provided the link. You can text me in the WhatsApp number given below regarding any subscription if you want to join, if you want to have a discount regarding this, any doubts are there, you can text me. Okay, so do watch my other YouTube videos as well, where I have provided some explanation regarding Karnataka judiciary examinations. Some are in Kannada, some are in English. Okay, so do like, comment, share and subscribe, and also share it among your friends and family members who would be really aspiring to become a judicial officer, and this video may be of some benefit to them. So keep watching. Thank you. Let's crack it.